We're coming up to that time of year when many investors are thinking about making plans for 2020. What are they going to do as property investors in the coming new year? So we thought it would be a good idea to have a kind of a property conference in a virtual sense via a webinar. So on Wednesday evening, the 11th of December, we're gathering together all the experts who make up our hotspotting panel of partners to have a property summit. So we're going to be presenting 9 experts in different fields of endeavour, having conversations with myself in a form of a webinar to help you make plans for the new year in terms of property investing. So we're going to be talking to mortgage brokers, property buyers agents, property advisors, development experts, property managers, and we also have an expert on investment in the commercial property field. So we have a range of different types of experts, all with a different perspective on what they see coming up in property investing in 2020. It looks like being a very positive year for property investment. The contrast between the general tone that's out there in media and in the market generally now compared with 12 months ago is really quite stark. So we're entering 2020 with a much more positive mindset, with buyers a lot more active, with the evidence that prices in many markets are rising, while vacancies tend to be low in most markets. There are some exceptions, of course, but generally the underlying parameters and conditions for property investment as we enter the new year are going to be generally very positive. So if you're thinking of making some plans and you'd like some expert assistance, tune into our special virtual summit on Wednesday evening, the 11th of December, where I'll be talking to 9 different experts, getting their thoughts about what's coming up in the new year and what investors should be considering doing to make the best of the prevailing conditions. Look forward to seeing you at the event on Wednesday evening. Bye for now.